We have fewer parts, fewer delays, smaller size and a bigger impact. Hello everybody, this is Mark from Off-Grid Europe and I want to introduce you to something that I think will change the way we think about energy systems. This is the Ohms Box and it's a rugged all-in-one energy platform. It's designed to thrive where all other systems fail. And it's not just a battery box, it is a complete power solution engineered for the harshest environments. Inside the Ohms Box, you're going to find an 800-volt DC battery system, and each module is isolated with its own fuse, disconnect and circuit breaker. Safety and serviceability are built in from the start. The inverter delivers 100 kilowatt of nominal power and can surge up to 300 kilowatt, giving you serious headroom. Whether you're in the middle of nowhere or you experience unstable grids, the Ohms Box will deliver a rock-solid power even when the grid doesn't. It's housed in a powder-coated galvanized steel shell. It's waterproof and tough enough for mining conditions. The cooling system can handle it up to 55 degrees Celsius ambient, and we've designed it to run autonomously for months. So that means you don't need to babysit the system. You can just leave it where you have installed it and come back a little while later and it will still be running. By combining the ATS, the DC-DC conversion, the battery storage and the inverter systems into one compact unit, we drastically reduce your engineering footprint and the installation time and operational cost. We have fewer parts, fewer delays, smaller size and a bigger impact. At Off-Grid Europe, we're not just building hardware, we're building infrastructure that lifts communities. With every single system we deploy, we increase access to power, education and opportunities, reducing poverty and contribute to a sustainable and long-term future for all people. The Ohms Box is more than just a box. It's a platform for progress. It's a platform for resilience, for autonomy. It is energy reimagined.